Which of the following groups can each thing be classified as living and belonging to the animal group? The answer of this question will be option B, grasshopper, pigeon and whale. Question number 2. In which of the following groups can each thing be classified as an aquatic animal? The answer of this question will be option number C, whale, shark and octopus. Question number 3. In which of the following groups can each thing be classified as naturally occurring? The answer of this question will be option number B, stone, water and petroleum. Question number 4. In which of the following groups can each thing be classified as made by humans? Answer of this question will be option A, aerated drinks, ice cream and pizza. Question number 5. In which of the following groups is each substance a gas? The answer of this question will be option number B, steam, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Question number 6. In which of the following groups is each thing a solid at room temperature? The answer of this question will be option number C, salt, sugar and cork. Question number 7. Which of the following is soluble in water? Answer option C, sugar. Question number 8. Which are bad conductors of heat? Answer option D. Question number 9. In which of the following groups can each thing be classified as opaque? Answer option D. Question number 10. The density of a substance is the option number D, mass is in a unit volume of the substance. Moving on to the next question, fill in the blanks. Question number 1. The process of grouping things based on some known criteria is called classification. Question number 2. Dash has mass and occupies space. Answer matter. Question number 3. Dash and dash are the three states of matter. Answer solid, liquid and gas. Question number 4. The molecules in dash are tightly packed. Answer solids. Question number 5. The molecules in matter are always in a state of dash. Answer random motion. Question number 6. Dash have a definite volume but no definite shape. Answer liquids. Question number 7. Dash have neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. Answer gases. Question number 8. If a solid dissolves in water, the solid is said to be dash in water. Answer soluble in water. Question number 9. All gases are dash conductors of heat. Answer bad conductors of heat. Question number 10. Turbid water is an example of a dash material. Answer translucent material. Moving on to the next question. State whether the following statements are true or false. Question number 1. Classification involves grouping objects with different properties together. Answer false. Question number 2. Gases can be compressed more easily than liquids. Answer true. Question number 3. All gases are insoluble in water at room temperature. Answer false. Question number 4. If you place a glass rod in hot water, you can still hold the glass rod with your hand. It shows that glass is a good conductor of heat. Answer false. Question number 5. The fizz in a soft drink bottle is due to the dissolved oxygen gas in it. Answer false. Question number 6. Aluminium and copper are good conductors of heat and electricity. Answer true. Question number 7. A thick sheet of plain glass is opaque. Answer false. Question number 8. Cooking oil is miscible in water. Answer false. Question number 9. Mercury is not a good conductor of heat. Answer false. Question number 10. Milk is an example of a translucent material. Answer, false. Question number 11. Wood is less dense than water but more dense than iron. Answer,